If you've got an ST-10 or 15 with a quill style tailstock, like this one right here, and it's been a little while since you last used the tailstock, you might find that it seems like the quill doesn't want to move at lower hydraulic pressures. Now this doesn't mean it has a problem or that it needs service. When this type of tailstock sits idle for an extended period, it can develop a little bit of stiction, but don't get alarmed because the fix is simple. We'll move down here and we're going to adjust the tailstock hydraulic pressure up to the top end of the range. Now we'll actuate the tailstock. That'll get the quill moving. Now we'll just actuate the tailstock several more times to make sure it's running smoothly. Then you can return your tailstock pressures to their normal values and continue using the tailstock as usual. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.